Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have this is nice right triangle in which the length of one side is 5 and the length of other two sides are unknown. For this less information we need to find the parameter of this right triangle. So first you know about that the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse side, and the side opposite to the other angle is called the perpendicular side, and the side we join both of these two angles is called the base of this triangle. Further, we denote this side by small a, and we denote this side by small b, and we denote this side by small c. So here you remember one thing is that here the side length of these three sides of this triangle must be an positive integer. It means that we solve this problem for only positive integer values of a, b and c. So here you see that we have only one side length, that is 5. We first need to find the side length of other two sides of this triangle. Here for this you also know about that this is right triangle, and we know about that the Pythagoras theorem is hold in the right triangle, and the Pythagoras theorem is stated as a hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So this is called the Pythagoras theorem, and we have our hypotenuse is denoted by small c, so this is c square. The base is denoted by small a, it is a square, and the value of perpendicular is b, and that is equals to 5, so we write here 5 square. And further in the next step we move the term a square into the left hand side, and we get c square minus a square equals to this is 5 square, and we know that 5 square becomes here 25. So in the next step you see here this is the very famous algebraic formula. We know about that c square minus a square equals to c minus a times of c plus a is equals to 25. And further in the next step you see here in the left hand side we have there are two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So first we need to find any two positive integers whose product becomes 25, and there are two possibilities in which we have 1 times of 25 becomes 25, and 5 times of 5 is also becomes here 25. So in the next step we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we compare c minus a and c plus a with these two factors, and here we write our second case, and in the second case we compare these two factors with 5. So here first we write our case number 1, and in the first case after comparing the values we get c minus a equals to 1 and c plus a is equals to 25. This is our first case, and in the second case we have c minus a equals to 5 and c plus a is also equals to 5. So we have these are the two cases in which first we need to find the values of a and c, and then we move towards to finding the parameter of this triangle. So here first we need to focus on the second case, and we called this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So we subtract these two values, and when we subtract 1 and 2, so we need to change the signs, and we have this is positive and negative c are gone, this is positive and negative 5 are gone, and we get minus a becomes minus 2a equals to 0, and this implies that we get the value of a equals to 0. So if a equals to 0, this means that the base of this right triangle is 0. So it is not possible case, it is not possible that base of the given triangle is 0. So that's why we rejected this case and we proceed here the first case only. In this case we denote this equation by equation number 3, and we call that this is our equation number 4. So here we first sum up equation number 3 and equation number 4. So when we add these two equations we obtain This is c plus c becomes here 2c, and this is negative a and positive a are gone, and we get 1 plus 25 becomes 26. And for the values of c, we divide both of the sides by 2, so this 2 and 2 are gone, and this is 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 16. So here we easily get the value of c is equals to 13. So this is the value of c, and now here we use this value of c into the equation number 3, and we get the value of a. So when we put this value of c in equation number 3, it will be written as c minus a is equals to 1. So the value of c is 13 minus a equals to 1, and we have 13 minus 1 equals to a. 13 minus 1 becomes 12 is equals to a. This is the value of a, and this is the value of c. So here we easily get both of the values of a and c. And now here you see that we will find all the length of the given triangle. So the length of all three sides of the given triangle are the length of base side, that is a equals to 12, the length of perpendicular side b equals to 5 which is given, and the length of hypotenuse side c equals to 13. So these are the three side lengths which we find here. And now we move towards to find the parameter of this triangle. So we very well know about that. The formula of a parameter of triangle is equals to a plus b plus c. The value of a is 12 plus the value of b is 5 plus the value of c is 13. And here we need to sum up these two values, and we get here 12 plus 5 becomes 17 plus 13, and 17 plus 13 becomes here 30. This is the our final answer or final parameter of the given question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.